Hello friends, here is 100 plus SM flares template. These files for Photoshop. Here is total 112 PSD file. Property is 1.15 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it for you. Easy to download, okay? And these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Okay, you see here the different categories of flares: business flares, medicine flares, training flares, and e-learning, party, car wash, and sports center flare, mobile shop, restaurant, rent a car, homemade flare, party cleaning, pit cleaning. Oh, here is flower shop, gym flare, and again business flare, sale, photography flare, dental cleaning flare, transport flare, fashion, and here is call center, wedding service flare, furniture, real estate and bicycle shop, solar energy flare, CO flare, agriculture, laptop shop, kids flare, business and tech shop. Here is fresh food, jewelry, women shoes flare, architecture, business and video service, flowers and special offer, fast food, travel and happy Easter, special offer product, Australia Day travel. Here is ladies night out party, urban party, car wash, and lightning, electricity, lawyer, and high school fair, health, gym, and gym again. And here is a happy national day, abstract flare, kid flare, business. That's mean you you can find every flare here. Here is medicine flare. For example, I open this one, a training or e-learning. Here is a file and double click, and the preview is here. You can change your own photo or you can change color, everything you can do easily. Double click here and you see our flare is open in Photoshop extract. Here is logo, title, text, and here is footer, picture, background. Okay, so we need now picture. Click on your picture and we need image. Girls and red dresses. Okay, oh, we need high definition photo, but you can adjust high definition. I tell you, just for example, control S and you see okay, logo. So you can adjust your own choice. You can change color or dress color. Okay, basically e-learning flare. Okay, or you can change any other photo. Here is business flare preview. Oh, just you need a photo. We are providing creative ideas. Real estate, furniture. Here is real estate. Wow, building your dreams a home. Tech shop flare, flare. Wow, your logo. So you can change anything in Adobe Photoshop. First you need buy this app for password. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.